Mr. Dumpster Diver here today, showing everybody what's inside a Mr. Coffee Maker. This is the coffee maker. It's upside down, and to save time I've taken all the screws out from the top, or the bottom. We'll open it up. So this is what the components of a basic coffee maker. In the front we have the electronics for the clock. Then here we got this aluminum piece. There's another piece here, metal, that braces the bottom. It's aluminum, this casing here. The power cord with the electronics here going out. And then the metal hot plate. And there's wires